This is Rambo. Hi, Rambo. Say hi. Hello. How are you? You like his cute shirt? Okay, so I wanted to show all his dog accessories. This is Rambo's little furniture right when you walk in. So here we have some wipes to wipe him down from any dirt he brings in, wipe his paws and all that. I have some Lysol wipes to clean his leash for when he accidentally pees on it. We have his little doggy bags that are super convenient. Way better than Walmart bags to pick them up. Have a little roll here. Best thing ever. Then we have this little spray for when he's a little stinky, when we can't shower him that often, so that is awesome. So here on his first drawer, super cute, right? We have pretty much his clothes, like his sweater, his coat, just his Christmas stuff. Definitely needs them when it gets cold. So that's what's in there. Now for the second drawer, we have all his leashes here. Super easy to organize with these ties that I bought. Harnessed, his toys, some of his toys. Oh, this is super funny. Some of his shoes. They're cute, right? Got them off of Amazon. By the way, he doesn't like them. He hates them, so he'll get used to it probably eventually. We have his toothbrush and toothpaste, which he needs because he has a stinky breath sometimes. Now on the bottom, we have his hair stuff, since me and my boyfriend usually cut his hair ourselves, so we have all the clippers and guards and combs, all that good stuff. Right, Rambo? Where'd he go? Right here we have his to-go bag. When we go out, we just shove stuff we need, like his dog food on the go, or a bowl of water, and his leash. We put it in there when we go out somewhere. Up here, we put his leash we use all the time. It's the 25, I believe it's a 25 long leash. Super, best thing ever, no regrets. You know, sometimes we want to take him out here in the yard, so we just tie it around here and let him do his thing, but of course always watching him. So over here he has another big old box. I feel like it keeps growing, right, Rambo? Come here, come say hi. Okay, so Rambo, here's pretty much his food, his treats. So right here we have the science food, which he really likes. We just switched him over to this one. What is it? Purina? Yeah, Purina. It's specifically for his stomach. He's super sensitive. Super sensitive in his stomach, right, Rambo? I don't know if that's just him or if it's all Yorkies, but if anyone knows another food that they love, I would love to try it. So you can always, any suggestions, leave a comment below. Here we have more of that same food. We're just keeping it nice and shut so it can last as fresh as possible. Here we just have his I forgot what these are called, but yeah, for his medicine when he gets sick. We have his shampoo. We're currently using the tea tree one, which, I mean, he doesn't like any of this stuff, but he has to shower. We just have a spray here for, you know, when he gets itchy. We just spray it and it helps him a lot. Here we have his wet food. We've been trying to make him gain a little weight. He's too skinny. He seems to really like this. His stomach really likes it too. Here are his favorite treats. We have the milk bone one. These he likes. They're not his favorite. His favorite ones that he's in love with, he goes so crazy for, are the pepperoni. Oh my god, these smell so good. Even I want to eat them, but yeah, they are the best thing ever. I barely bought them. You see, he's already getting closer, right? You like these, buddy? You like these? You want one? Okay. Okay, do you want one? All right, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Shake. 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 Come on, buddy. Ah, he's not doing it for the camera. We taught him this trick where he shakes when he wants a treat. You want it? Oh, it's because we just gave him one, but anyways, you want it or not? Oh my gosh. Not looking good for the camera, but he definitely loves these. I think he's just full. Making me look bad on the camera, huh, boy? Okay, so back to his treats. I have these that are grain-free, that's super tiny. Oh, these are his favorite as well. So I would say these are the top two that he absolutely loves. These, I don't know what, I know these smell like pizza. I don't know what it is. They're soft, so they're perfect for his small teeth. These are chicken and lamb jerky bites. So yeah, these are easy to just break down and give him a little piece. I think that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any other must-have accessories for your dog. I would love to learn more. Right, Rambo? Come here. Come here, Rambo. Oh man. This is my first time being a dog mom, so I would love any recommendations. Evan? Come on. Wow, you're so cute. Well, that's pretty much it. Say bye.